Hello and welcome to episode 4 in our series of tutorials for Excel beginners. In this tutorial what I'm going to do is show you how to create the functions that you can see listed here: average, max or maximum, min or minimum, and count. These are some of the more common functions, but I'm going to show you how to create each of these calculations in two ways. The first is how to create it manually, simply type it in longhand if you like. And the other way is to use the paste function feature of Excel, which guides you through creating the calculation. So we'll begin with average, and I'll just create the calculation manually. Now, as you know, with every calculation in Excel we start by pressing the equals key on the keyboard, and that tells Excel straight away that whatever follows is going to be part of a calculation. And what we type in is the word average, as you might expect. So you type the whole word out, then we put the formula between brackets or parentheses and open the bracket there, and then what I'm going to do is actually select the range of numbers that I want to be averaged by just clicking and dragging down the list like that. Once I'm happy with the selection, close the bracket, and I'll click on the little green tick up there, and that accepts the result, which you can see there, 1.966667, which I have no idea if that's correct or not, but I'll trust Excel. Okay, well that's the first one, fairly straightforward. In the next column, the rentals column, I'm going to do the same calculation, but this time I'll use the paste function feature of Excel to create the calculation. Now what I need to do here is obviously select the cell where I want the result to appear, go up to the standard toolbar and click on the FX button there, which is your paste function button, and that opens the paste function dialog. And I need to find average. Now you will almost certainly find it in the most recently used category, but if you don't, you'll actually find it listed in the statistical choices, and click on statistical in the function category, and on the right hand side you'll find average. And as you can see, actually there's an awful lot of other functions in there, but we won't get into all those just yet. So once you've selected average, click OK. We get the paste function dialog. We can move this around the screen, so if you want to move it so you can see the numbers that you're dealing with more clearly, you can just move it one side or the other. It always appears docked near the top of the screen, so you just click in any of the grey areas and drag it out of the way if you want to. I do that just because it's I find